Hello, Bladers. This is a chance to think over things, especially if you are driving alone. You might never pinpoint what it is that makes driving aimlessly special, but you will at least have time to reflect on your current situation and identify what could be bothering you. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. A long and soothing drive for Pinoy drivers? Number 1, a chance to reflect and ponder. Consider this time as an escape, a chance to relax, possibly in a place where no one knows your name. Pure downtime can help get your mind back in order. Number 2, finding inspiration in the most unlikely places. Usually we tend to have a short attention span, or even yet we all experience mental block and we need a new inspiration. Settle down, grab your car keys, and go for a drive. Focus on the surroundings instead of the matters bothering you. Notice at how interesting constellations are, or the details of the sceneries you pass by. You will be surprised at what you can discover. Number 3, meet interesting people. Filipinos love going on solo trips, or even soul-searching long drives can help you gain a fresh perspective on things and people. You might even meet new people during gasoline or food stops. This is a chance to make a new friend and have great memories to keep. Number 4, trying something new. Live the adventurous self in you. There's no telling what you can experience during long drives. The possibilities are limitless. Enjoy town fiestas, local museums, and adventures with nature the place offers. Number 5, compile mementos from every destination. It's your turn to collect interesting things during your stops, whether it's a yellow stripe drinking straw at a restaurant or hearing some scary stories about a new town. It will just keep as a reminder for those small side trips you did. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.